Hi, let me tell you about Python analysis in Cube. This is an advanced feature which allows you to create complex data processing pipelines. So you're not only going to query the data through the semantic layer using SQL, but you also get an option to run a Python script on top that would perform additional post-processing and analysis. And frankly, you don't even have to create this script yourself. Cube Agent would take care of that, and it would probably leverage the power of all the libraries available in the Python ecosystem. Let me show you. Here, I've got a workbook with a report about the number of line items in orders by our customers over time. And frankly, this looks quite noisy, but I would still love to forecast the number of line items. Let me ask the Cube Agent to do that. Calculate me the forecast for the number of line items for the upcoming 72 months. So let's see how the agent manages to do that, but I expect it to identify that this kind of analysis can only be performed with a Python script, and here we can see that it's going to use the profit algorithm for forecasting. And the next step would be to actually create that Python script and run it, and then finally the results are going to be streamed back to our workbook and visualized as a separate tab. So we can see that the analysis is underway, and once it ends we should be able to see the tab right here. Alright, here it is. And if I go to the chart, here are the results of our analysis. And if you're curious, you can see the script that the AI agent created here on this tab. And well, you can even see the debugging output that it produced. And if you really want to, you can try to change some parameters right here and rerun the script to see how it goes. So the script is persisted to your workbook, and you don't need to create it from scratch every time. Alright, so this looks interesting, but let me show you one more example. So on this tab I have some information about our customers. So a number of features such as their age or age bucket, the city they're from, their gender, and the target feature, which is the number of orders that they've made. And I'm really curious how these features affect the number of orders. So let me ask Cube Agent to help me understand that. Help me understand which features affect the number of orders made by our users. So let's see how the agent manages to solve this task. Well, I expect it to run a Python script for this task as well. And as we can see here, it's going to run a regression analysis, which sounds about right. So in just a few seconds, we should be able to see that the Python script is created and it's going to be run. And after that, well, I'm really curious to know if the age or the location or the gender has an effect on the number of orders that our users make. Here we are. So it's interesting. So it looks like the gender has well, no effect. It's almost irrelevant, and it's not that certain for city and state, but the age has the biggest effect on that, which is interesting, and hopefully we can use that in our business. So maybe I should publish this analysis so that my marketing and sales teams can leverage it. All right, but what you can do with Python analysis?